Welcome to this tutorial on the URL-decode command in Splunk SPL. The URL-decode command is a powerful tool that converts URL-encoded strings back to their readable format. This is essential for analyzing web data where special characters have been encoded for safe transmission over the internet. The basic syntax is pipe URL-decode field equals your field name. The URL-decode command follows a simple structure. You start with the pipe symbol, followed by URL-decode, and then specify the field parameter. The field parameter is mandatory and tells Splunk which field contains the URL-encoded data that needs to be decoded. This field parameter specifies exactly which column or field in your data contains the encoded strings. URL encoding is a method used to convert special characters into a format that can be safely transmitted over the internet. For example, the text "Hello World" with an exclamation mark becomes "Hello%20 World%21" when encoded. Similarly, an email address like user@domain.com becomes user%40domain.com. The URL-decode command reverses this process, making the data human-readable again. Here's a practical example of using URL-decode. We start by searching the web index, then create a test field with encoded URL data using the eval command. The encoded string contains search.php%3fq%3d hello%20 world. When we apply URL-decode to this field, it converts back to the readable format, search.php?q equals hello world. You can decode multiple fields by chaining URL-decode commands. In this example, we first decode the request_URI field, then decode the user_agent field in a separate command. Each URL-decode command processes one field at a time, so you need multiple commands to handle multiple encoded fields in your data. A common use case for URL-decode is analyzing web server access logs. In this example, we search access logs, extract the path and parameters from URIs using regular expressions, then decode the parameters to make them readable. This is particularly useful for understanding user search queries and analyzing web traffic patterns in their original, human-readable form. The URL-decode command has several important applications. First, decoding search parameters from web requests to understand what users are searching for. Second, converting encoded email addresses back to readable format for contact analysis. Third, cleaning and analyzing URL patterns in web traffic data. Finally, security analysis where you need to decode potentially malicious URLs to understand their true destination and intent. Let's summarize the key points about the URL-decode command. It converts URL-encoded strings to readable format, making data analysis much easier. The field parameter is required and specifies which field contains the encoded data. This command is essential for weblog analysis and security investigations where encoded URLs are common. Finally, you can chain multiple URL-decode commands to process several encoded fields in your dataset. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.